Good morning, my name is Richard Smith. I'm an instructor here at Universal Technical Institute in the Marine Department, and I'd like to show you around the classroom to see what you can anticipate when you come to class. So one of the things that we do over here in 101 is that we have these 8 horsepower Mercury engines. You'll do a variety of tasks on these things. You'll actually pull apart the cylinder head, take the valves out. Here to your left, you'll see that we have some Volvo Penta outdrives. You'll actually take these outdrives apart, learn how to shim them, just like we did over in Marine 1 and 2. Take a little bit more time and effort to be able to put these things together. You have to have patience when you're shimming these things. Then over to our right over here, we have our set of engines that we're fixing to install. They're going to be what they call fly-by-wire, where it's all digital control. It could have a push button start. It could have what we call a turnkey start, where you just bump the key switch and it automatically starts itself. What we have up here is that we actually have the Mercury Verados with joystick on them. And if you can take a look right here, you'll see on the console, we have our joystick. We have digital controls, our key switches, and I mentioned the fact about we just bump the key and let the engine start. So that tells us our systems are alive, and you can probably hear the engine running. Then what we do is we go ahead and we fire off the other engine. If I'm using my docking situation, if you listen closely, you'll hear the engines, and that was the engines moving back and forth. To be able to dock the boat, we have what we call skyhook, where I can press a button. The engines will actually shift because of skyhook, and it'll actually hold you in position. So then we come over here, we have our latest and greatest adventure over here. We have the Mercury V12. And what we're doing with here, this is more of a sensor identification thing, where we're going to build a lab on it to help identify all the components, how to service it, and different things of that nature. And that's just some of the stuff you can expect when you come to the Marine Department here at Universal Technical Institute. Hope to see you soon.